Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Like I promised, I'm going to restore the Nokia N86, and after that the phones that you choose for the next video, in the previous video with the E90. So let's begin. Hopefully this one will be nice to me. Oh, this is pretty heavy. Wait, what? Oh, it's okay. Phew. Well, pretty dusty. Since I don't have another keyboard, I will use this one. Oh my god, what's in this thing? Oh no, it's the traditional N85 idea. Why? Oh, but the camera looks awesome. Good, it's finally out. Is this the clamp? Good. Found it. Haha. Easy. Man, this thing is heavy. The N86 was a premium phone? I mean, it looks awesome, but the way it feels and the weight it has, and the dust this poor thing has in it. Oh boy, a lot for me to clean. Good. Beautiful display. I like the color. Oh, these are the buttons. Okay. Oh, the buttons are separately. Interesting. Huh. Good. That's an ugly snap, but whatever. Phew. I just gotta ask, why is this thing sticked here? I'm guessing these are the LEDs. Other than that, disassembled. Let me just take this out in case I need it. I haven't seen the new shell. All I know is that it's missing the keyboard, so I have to reuse the old ones. Let's just take this out to be sure. Need more? I'll take some more. Oh boy, look at all the dust that was in this poor phone. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and skip the cleaning process and get back to the assembly. See you in a bit. Well, I'm done cleaning it, and now that I've looked closely, I need to take some parts from this and from this. So I'll get directly to that. Okay, now that is put there. Let's put this aside for now and concentrate on this thing. Enough. Good. Now this one. Good. Okay, good enough. All right. Now, to get serious. Everything about this phone is hard. Good. Here. This one here. These two buttons need to be set here in place. Good. Now here comes another hard part. This phone is full only of hard parts. If you don't know what you're doing, I don't recommend you fix an N86. Take it to a repair shop. Just to make sure. Good, it's in its place. Let the stickiness stick itself. Well, I managed to crack it here a little because the buttons wouldn't press. How they do. This model is very hard and is very high maintenance to fix. It's really annoying, honestly. Yeah, so let's just finish this. Just putting it here so that I know that it won't be any dust getting inside. So yeah. Well, I'll just put it later. Good. Okay, yeah, this is from here. finally done. Now, oh man, I really had to crack it here. I'm such an idiot. And I barely found this body shell. Oh, horrible body shell, but whatever. Battery is dead. 1 out of 2. I'm guessing the battery is dead. I will recharge it and be right back. Okay, it charged enough. Oh boy, I'm tired. Now let's see. So, the phone works fine, except for some small problems, like the fact that I cracked the screen here. The camera button didn't work from the beginning, so I'll have to find another main board as well to this one. Man, these phones are really effed up. Well, either way, this was the refurbished video of the Nokia N86. This phone works. You can use it on the, well, what's left of the internet on it, and to use it as a phone normally. Also, it also has a FM transmitter. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to my channel for more daily videos, and I'll see you in the next one, where hopefully I can make a fully functional phone this time. Oh man, my luck sucks. Well, I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourselves. Bye bye.